New at Vahrenberg Implement is the Parkhurst Premium Bale Unrollers. There's a lot of Bale Unrollers out there on the market, but there's a lot of them that are imports or economy built Bale Unrollers. We have teamed up with Parkhurst out of Sedalia, Missouri. So this is a born in, made in Missouri product, premium Bale Unrollers. One of the biggest features, and you'll probably see it right off the bat, is the stands. This makes it easier to connect your tractor to the 3-point hitch. Most Bale Unrollers do not offer a stand system that puts, and that makes the Bale Unroller sit on the ground and makes it hard to connect to your tractor. You're going to have to lift that product up to hook it up. That's one of the first things we've seen, but the biggest thing we've seen is the quality of the product, the quality of the welds. We'll zoom in here and show you the welds, the thickness of the metal. It's got a 4x4 front beam. This beam is 4x4. Got grease zerks back in there. That's on your pivot bolt. Got grease zerks on your slide bar. Category 2, it can be converted to category 1 by buying a different pin and putting it on the inside for your larger compact and small utility tractors. Quick hitch, available to operate with quick hitch or different pin positions. That one of the reasons for this pin positions is if you need more kick up in the back end. The higher you raise it, the more kick you're going to get in the back end. That's one of the other features of this Parkhurst design, is the 45-degree knees right here help raise that bale so you don't have to change your 3-point hitch configuration, and it helps unroll all of the bale. The two biggest things we hear on quick hitches is, I hate hooking it up because it's sitting on the ground, or I got to leave it in a bale to hook up to my tractor. The other thing is, I don't unroll all the bale. With this style of system, you can leave your hitch more level, and the knee is going to kick it up, so when it comes to the ground, it's going to go down and get all of it unrolled in your field. These are 1.25" spikes. There are a pointed spike. They're not cut at 45, so they perfectly go in the bale. They are heat treated. They got the plates on here to help dig in the bale, so it spears the bale to unroll it. We've got basically two different systems. This system, this will handle both the 4-foot and the 5-foot bale. 4-foot bales, 5-foot bales. That's the width of the bale. It will handle all of the 4 to 6 foot up to 6 foot. That's one of the things with the knees. Your larger 6-foot diameter bales can pick it up and have ground clearance. As you can see in this one, we have set up in the 4-foot configuration with the knees. They come in a little closer, and grease zerks on the pins. If you go to a 4-foot bale, take this collar off, move with this bushing on the inside to move the collar on in for narrow positions. Quality welds and craftsmanship. 3x3 beams, powder coated. Not a cheap economy. If you want a cheap Bale Unroller, this ain't the Bale Unroller for you. You want to go find one of them made in Mexico or some other place. This is a premium, made in Missouri, heavy duty construction, quality welds. Look at the craftsmanship. Comes with the cylinder, the hoses, ISO Pioneer style fittings are standard with it. Only thing you need is a top link pin, and that comes with your top link when you buy the tractor. So got the bottom pins, got the clips, got the stands, everything you need to start unrolling hay. With the drought this year and the lack of hay, this is a great idea to maximize the return on your hay that you have. Spread it out, the cows don't compete. Allows the cows to get everything they need to eat, and you only feed what they need. Don't throw out a bunch of extra this year because hay is expensive with the drought year. This will help supply that. Plus, if we get bad weather, you can put hay down or straw down or corn stalks, whatever you've got rolled up for bedding purposes, and get them calves off the ground, them cows off the ground, to give them, to keep them off the elements so that they're gaining weight, not losing weight. That's the whole purpose of feeding hay in the winter, is to keep them cows at the same weight, or better yet, gain weight so that you get more at the market when you go to sell them. Come check out these Parkhurst Bale Unrollers. We've got them in red hot massy red. They're available in green, blue, I think orange, yellow. They got a whole bunch of different colors. We'll throw a picture up right here to show you all the different colors. If you're looking for something different, looking for the last Bale unroller that you'll ever need to buy, come check out the Parkhurst Bale Unrollers, now available at Vahrenberg Implement. No more bending over to lift this up. Back up your tractor, hook it to the 3-point, flip the stands. Comes with the locking pins. These stands just come out, turn 90 degrees and go back on. They sit right down the side. They're in and out of the way. Simple, easy to use. You're not having to crawl over your 3-point hitch to do one in the middle. They stay perfectly level to make it easier to connect to your tractor. Lots of differences in 3-point Bale unrollers. If you want the best, come get a Parkhurst. One of the greatest features of the Parkhurst Bale Unroller is the stands here, and how simple and easy it is to, once you get hooked up, is store the bale stands. Put that through there, hook the clip. And you're ready to go to the field. One tip of information, if you can see here, this is pretty level through the whole lifting process. What you do, if you want more kick, is to lower your top link to the lower hole there, to the upper hole, will give you more kick up in the back if you need to get through low clearance. That's one of the things with the Parkhurst. And these angled knees here, is it's going to give that kick up, so you don't have to do that. You can do it more level, so you can unroll all the way more flatter and get more hay unrolled, especially when you get towards the end. We're going to fire it up here, operating our hydraulics. You can see that it comes in. That'll come in. This is set up for your 5-foot bales. If you look at the holes down here, it's in the front set of holes towards the tractor. That's for your 5-foot wider bales. Your 4-foot bales are going to be in the back hole. Open your hydraulics, path of least resistance. You hook up to your bale there for your 5-foot bales. This will actually expand wider than a 5-foot bale, so if they sag a little bit, you got clamping force on it. Run it on your hydraulics, tighten it down, and go to unrolling and saving your hay. I hope that helped you learn a little bit about the operation of the Parkhurst Bale Unroller. And come get it at Vahrenberg Implement, right here in West Central Missouri. We're at the first stoplight, 15 miles south of Lexington, Missouri, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, right across from the new Taco Bell here in Higginsville, Missouri. We've got tractors, We got bale unrollers, we got implements to take care of your needs so that you can get the most out of your hard-earned dollars and make your life easier feeding cows this winter here in West Central Missouri.